Well, hello and welcome to the build guide for the Wio Tracker L1. Here we have the 3D printed case and the actual board itself. Now, this board comes with the GPS module and a screen, which is super handy when you're just trying to view messages on the fly. This is one of the many options you have for Meshtastic node. If you don't know what Meshtastic is, we'll explain it a little bit more later in the video. So let's open this bad boy up and let's get building. Now, you're gonna wanna put your side button and your front button in before you place your board in. Speaking of the board, let's check this out. Let's remove that screen protector. And then we're going to press on this joystick. And then we're going to put the board in, trying to hold it on the right-hand side and then fold it in on the left. We're going to screw these in. I have heard of some people having to shave down the sides to make the board fit, but I did not have that issue. Here we are going to slide in the GPS module. I found that twisting it kind of helps feed it down that hole, and then we're going to just clip it in. Here is the antenna. We're going to remove the cover, and then we're going to take off the nut and washers, and then we're going to slide it through the bottom side, and it's super cool because the 3D print kind of holds the bottom of it in place. And then we're going to screw the washers and nut back onto the antenna. Now, the antennas on these are really sensitive, so this one has a power on and power off button, but if you connect the battery before the antenna is actually screwed on, it can fry the board, and you don't want to do that. So I did it improperly, but the power switch was off, so I wasn't too concerned. Best practice would be to screw on the antenna and then plug the battery in. Then we're just going to find the right fit for all of this fun stuff. It takes some finagling, but it kind of all fits in place. Then we're going to place those in and we're going to screw it all together. And I'll take this time to explain what Meshtastic is. It's open source firmware that allows you to communicate off the grid. It utilizes LoRa, or long range technology, and that's what gives you the ability to send the messages, the GPS coordinates, and just about everything else. How you use this device is connecting it via Bluetooth to your phone, where you can both view and send the messages. And again, which makes this really cool, is it doesn't rely on cellular or Wi-Fi to send or receive those messages. And I got two of these for 95 bucks with the coupon, and without the coupon, it's 105 for two of these units, which is sick. If you're interested in Meshtastic or have any questions, please put them down below and I'll be happy to answer them.